Why don't seniors ever play hide and seek with their Pure Talk phones? Because good luck hiding when their ringtone is the Beatles on full volume. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Pure Talk phones for seniors. Tip 1. Understand the basics. Like any device, the first step to using a Pure Talk phone fruitfully is getting to know its basic functions. These functions usually include making and receiving calls, sending text messages, taking pictures, and so on. Remember how to turn on the power, charge the battery, and open the menu screen. Consider taking notes or asking a relative to guide you through. Tip 2. Learn how to save or update contacts. Instead of remembering dozens of phone numbers, use your Pure Talk phones to store them. Simply go to the Contacts menu, save new contacts, update details of existing ones, or delete others you no longer need. Tip 3. Know how to customize the display settings. Most Pure Talk phones allow altering the display settings for seniors who have sight issues. Users can change display elements such as font size, color schemes, and brightness levels to accommodate their vision. Tip 4. Master the art of texting. Text messaging is an optimal way to communicate without making a call. It saves you time if you're too busy for a conversation. Just head to the Messages application on your device, type out your message, and send it just like you would do with a call. Tip 5. Set up voicemail. If you miss a call, the person calling can leave a message in your voicemail. To access these messages, you have to set up your voicemail by following the steps provided by your service provider. Once it's set, you can regularly check for missed calls. Tip 6. Take advantage of the SOS feature. Many Pure Talk phones for seniors come with an SOS feature that can dial emergency contacts with just a touch of a button. The feature is essential in emergencies when the user can't dial numbers. Tip 7. Learn to surf the internet. Pure Talk phones can let you browse websites, check emails, and use applications like weather updates. You can use internet apps for various purposes, learn how to open, operate, and close them without assistance. Tip 8. Familiarize with the camera. Pure Talk phones have built-in cameras. Learn how to take photos and videos and how to share them with your friends and family members. Tip 9. Understand how to use the GPS. These phones often come with GPS features, which can be essential for tracking the phone's location if it is lost, or for using map apps if you are in an unfamiliar place. Tip 10. Keep your phone secure. Always ensure that your phone is locked when not in use to protect it from unauthorized access. Know how to set up passcodes or patterns for unlocking your phone. Back up your data regularly to avoid loss of important information. Tip 11. Maintain good phone hygiene. This ensures not just a smoother user experience, but also a longer life for your Pure Talk phone. Clean your phone's screen and body regularly, don't overcharge the phone, and consider investing in a phone case for physical protection.